Imagine a world where businesses lead the charge in preserving our planet. What if your company could be a part of this change? Welcome to the realm of environmental audits, a powerful tool to assess and improve your organization's environmental compliance. At Enviropass, we specialize in conducting thorough environmental audits with our Certified Environmental Compliance Auditor, ECA. But what exactly is an environmental audit? It's an in-depth assessment to ensure your business adheres to environmental regulations and standards. Our auditors dive deep, analyzing your company's impact through site visits, product tests, and interviews. We evaluate emissions, scrutinizing air pollution, VOCs, greenhouse gases, and other pollutants. Water management is another critical aspect, assessing water use, wastewater production, and discharge procedures. Waste management is examined, from production and classification to storage, movement, and disposal. We also identify and evaluate the use, storage, handling, and disposal of hazardous substances, ensuring compliance with regulations like EU REACH and PFAS. An environmental compliance audit, ECA, focuses on your adherence to national, regional, and local environmental laws and permits. For instance, the Canadian Environmental Protection Act regulates toxic substances, while the U.S. Clean Air Act sets air quality standards. The Paris Agreement aims to limit global warming, and the EU's REACH regulation ensures safe chemical use. Why should your company get an environmental audit? It's not just about compliance, it's about transparency and commitment to the environment. ISO 14001 audits are crucial for obtaining this environmental management standard, triggering 3 possible audits. These include an environmental compliance audit, an internal audit on the ISO 14001 system, and an external audit for official recognition. Other environmental management systems like NAS 411 also benefit from regular audits. Audits help assess compliance, identify risks, and prevent environmental incidents, ensuring a safer workplace. They strengthen relationships with clients, staff, and regulatory bodies, enhancing your brand reputation. Environmental, social, and governance reports evaluate your company's overall impact, often expressed through various audits. Qualified professionals conduct these audits, ensuring credibility and effectiveness. Certification from bodies like the AQVE adds value. Join us at Enviropass and make a definitive statement of your commitment to preserving our planet. Contact us today to learn more.